Well, you just had a breakup and now you have got into another relationship? My God, woohoo! It's a rebound relationship. Well, at the rate relationship etiquettes, I'm Poonam Negi Shankar, a certified etiquette consultant. Thank you so much for emailing and writing to me at etiquettecount73@gmail.com. सबसे पहले I will explain you what a rebound is. Now, you are into a relationship and you have a breakup. And अभी breakup हुआ और अगले दिन आप किसी न्यू डेट पे चले गए. Well, now when you do that, what are you trying to escape? Are you trying to escape loneliness? Are you escaping the loneliness or the breakup pain? Or are you escaping the fear of being single? भाई लोग क्या कहेंगे, बॉयफ्रेंड ने छोड़ दिया, या लोग क्या कहेंगे, गर्लफ्रेंड ने तुमको छोड़ दिया, क्यों? वेल, ये वही वाली बात हुई कि आपको घाव लगा है और आपने क्या करा, ऊपर एक बैंडेड लगा दिया. बैंडेड से पेन ज़रूर कम हो गया, मगर बैंडेड के नीचे घाव तो वहीं का वहीं है ना. Well, this is what happens that, before you swipe right, swipe through your feelings first. Now, every rebound has some effects. सबसे पहले है आपका emotional roller coaster. You are either on cloud 9. अब cloud 9 में कब होंगे? Maybe you are compatible with each other and you're liking each other's company. अभी शुरू का relationship है, अच्छा ही होता है, तो हो सकता है आप cloud 9 में हो. Or otherwise, it can just happen that, you start questioning your sanity. Why am I doing like that? I'm not like that, but I don't know what's happening. You are not able to answer yourself that, why are you doing all this? Why are you getting into another relationship? दूसरा एक होता है unrealistic comparison. You are always comparing your new partner with your ex. And nobody wins. Your healing is delayed. Instead of feeling your feelings, you're trying to avoid your feelings and trying to push them away. एक टेम्पररी बूस्ट मिलता है. इनिशियली तो सबको अच्छा लगता है, कोई भी रिलेशनशिप में आप जाएं आपको अच्छा ही लगता है, बट यू कांट सर्वाइव द रियलिटी. Rebounds can be sweet, but sometimes they are heartbreaks in disguise. कई बार ऐसी बात नहीं है, why should I always talk negative? It's not that. Sometimes your rebounds, they also lead into a everlasting relationship, but the percentage of it is very small. I mean, maybe you both are so compatible and then, beautiful relation grows into it. But the thing is, सबके साथ ऐसा नहीं होता. In most of the cases, rebound जब भी कोई उसमें पड़ता है वो हमेशा आगे चल के रिग्रेट में बनता है, and sometimes it is more hurting. So now, what are the do's and the don'ts of the rebound? Like if I say do's, सबसे पहले अगर आपका ब्रेकअप हुआ है, take time to heal. Focus on self-love and communicate openly first within yourself. And what are the don'ts? Don't use someone as a temporary fix. It's not right. Don't rush into a commitment. Do not ignore the red flags. Your heart deserves a rebound, but only if it's healthy and not a distraction. So, what should you do? So, pause and ask yourself, are you ready for the new date? Ask yourself that, do I say yes to a new date? Rebound gives momentary fun, but जिंदगी भर लेसन भी सिखा देता है और कई बार बहुत ही पेनफुल भी होता है. So do comment if you've ever been on a rebound.